Alright, so my wife texted me, told me to dryer quit drying. So it's a Samsung dryer. In case you got this type of model at home, I don't know the exact model of it. So the teardown is actually pretty simple. I watched some videos where guys take the whole top off everything. You ain't gotta do that. You can grab right here when this is down, put your foot here and just pull up, and it'll pop off these tabs here. And just, you don't have to remove the drum like these videos are saying. You got this bracket, sits in there, and you got the heating element here that sits on top, which you'll have to line it up with that hole right back there. Oh, just take 2 screws out. This is for your vent here. Pop that off. Take a screw out here. You got a screw out on this side here. Undo this moisture sensor and literally just pull it out. Undo your wiring harness. I'd recommend taking a picture so you know where they go. But I thought it was the heating element, so I bought an entire kit. And back up a little bit, before I tore it down like it is now, you got a panel in the very back. So on these, if your vent tube gets, your exhaust tube gets stopped up, it will blow what they call the thermal fuse right here. Well, hers is just about stopped up. So I cleaned it, changed this thermal fuse. It didn't even make it one cycle before it popped again. Well, I ordered a whole kit, ordered another fuse, and tore it down. Got my voltmeter on ohms here. So you can touch there. Kind of hard to do with one hand. Hold up. There you go. Well, that one's in the middle. You just come down to the other one. So the heating element's good. So I come to this thermal fuse here. See if I can do this one-handed. Nothing. So I blew it out again. Well, what I found is this was full of lint, but this here was full of lint. You can kind of see, done cleaned it up some, where the lint was charred there. It was all charred here. So it was getting too hot, blowing the thermal fuse, which is a good thing, keep your house from burning down. So if that's what you're going through, I mean, it's super simple. You got 5 screws that holds this lid on top of this. Like I said, you'll have 3. I did this the other day. My parts just come in. 3 screws on top. These 2 here. And the panel, this whole door here, you'll pull it up to get it off these slits. There's 3 of them. And then you'll pull it out. When you do that, you got these 2 screws. Pull that off. You got a screw here and a screw here. Then you can take your heating up. Once you get that out, you can take your heating element box, pull it out, take a picture where they go, unplug it, swap it out. I would recommend cleaning it out, because if your thermal fuse, if you can check that, through that little back panel like I did, then, and it's blown, then this is going to be full of lint. The whole kit for your thermal fuse, can't remember what they called that, thermostat I think it was, and your heating element was like $23-30 on Amazon. So I'm a diesel mechanic. I had to watch videos for this, so I figured, hell, might as well make a video on it and help y'all guys. So, got any questions? Just comment and I'll answer them the best I can. So, God bless.